Solana, Tito Goods po bumili. I won't buy Solana at this level. Dahil nakapitik na ang price, most of Solana and even some of the alts na nakapitik na, nakaporma pataas, you have to wait. Solana is good but I won't be buying it at this price. Kasi humahabol ka na eh. Nafo-FOMO ka na and you don't want to develop that attitude in the market. Even if, no, let's say, Solana now is, I think nag-60 na yata si Solana. Nag-63 si Solana. So, nag-63 siya coming from 20, below 30. Coming from 20 to 60. Mga titos at titas. More than double yung price ni Solana na ngayon. So, if you're buying now, you're buying because of FOMO. And you don't want to develop that sa crypto, sa trading career mo. Yung bumibili ka dahil na-FOMO ka. Why did you not buy nung nasa below 30? Bakit nga ngayon bumibili? Kasi nakikita mo, umaakyat na eh. So, you have to wait na mag-consolidate yung price, mag-correct yung price, and then mag-consolidate, and then you start buying. Paano, Tito, kung mas tumaas pa? It's okay. Let's say, for example, ito yung first scenario. Let's say, nagdire-diretso, hindi nag-correct. Okay, umabot ng 100 and then pagdating ng 100, saka nag-correct, let's say, going back to 60, nag-consolidate. So, you start buying on the consolidation. Okay, kasi alam mo na may 100 kang tinitignan. And, na-develop mo yung tamang strategy. Rather than buying today at 60, hoping na magpapump sa 100, paano kung nag-correct dyan, baba ng 30? Kamot ulo ko ngayon, napaaga yung bili ko. Bakit tuwing bumibili ko, bumababa? Trigger yata ako. No, di po kayo trigger. It's just that you're buying at the wrong reason. Yan. Follow for more Tito Moves!